Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday. Hey, I want to go over price action here real quick, and then, of course, hopefully end up taking a trade here this morning so you guys can see over on my own personal accounts. But if we take a look at this, this is something I was going over yesterday as well, is, directly off of these signals alone, how much is the potential profit that we're making on each of these? And can we at least be targeting 10 points on each of these trades? And what does that correlate to? This morning we had a sell signal here, ended up running for 24 points. Well, you know what? Let's just go for 10 points. Let's bring it back up to about this far, Another sell signal, end up running 45 points. Huge, huge run. Again, let's just put this down to 10. 10 points, end up running. Another one here. 20 points, we shoot for 10. Now, you guys, I love 10 because what is that? That correlates to $500 per trade when you're trading with 550K accounts. Now, this trade right here just ended up not working out. That's okay. You guys see what ended up happening? We ended up getting the sell signal. This dot right here closed above the profit wave, and that ended up closing out. Now, what are we getting right now? As of just making this video, this is live. We're getting a sell signal coming on. Well, how much time do we have left? We have 5 seconds. Well, great. Once this comes through, price action's below, everything looks to be okay. Let's go and enter into this as a position, and I'm going to go ahead and see if we can capitalize on this trade. Here we go. Candle has closed. I'm into this. You guys can keep track of P&L up here, right? And let's see if we can draw this down for some quick profit this morning. Now, what I like to look out for with these trades is the profit wave. In yesterday's video, I had this question a little bit. And like, Justin, what are you looking at for actually your stop loss? A couple things, you guys, honestly. I like to use the top or the bottom of the candle that I enter in on as the spot to be able to say, okay, if price action were to come against this and the white dot close at this area, I want to be able to get out, right? Or if you're looking for continuational trades, because this is actually looking really good, up about 1200 right now. We'll just keep an eye on this real quick. If we get one more push down, I'm just going to close this out so you guys can see a live trade here. And I wouldn't be upset with this at all today, but let's just stay within this a little bit longer. Or you guys look for continuation trades, something like this where you get these big mouth opens of like strong bullish momentum. And that's where you can ride this, where the profit wave is really, really crucial to be able to look at. Okay, if this is just going and going and going and money's flowing and like the water's flowing out of the floodgates even more, then what you want to do is just stay within those trades, right? So this is something where, this morning, yeah, these 3 signals worked out well. This one was a slight little loss here for about 8 points, but this would have worked out good. Really, really well for a lot of traders. So falling in love with 10 points, I'm telling you guys, is really important. Now, even on this trade alone over here, 10 points. What are we looking at? Close to, I think it's going to be $200 would be 10 points on this trade. So, anything close to here of 21,411 is going to be around 10 points. And that's what I'll look out for. Something I'm going to do, and hopefully what I'll be able to do here for you guys pretty soon, is to actually, here we go, here's our push. There we go. Nice little movement. That should look about 1,600 right there. My target on this, which I would really love to see, somewhere around right here. If we can end up hitting this target zone, I'm going to go ahead and just exit out of that. There we go. $2,000, just over. There we go. $2,400, 25. Oh my gosh, guys. Target hit on demand. Wow. This is how trading should be done, you guys. Right here is a level of support that we saw coming up, taking literally the sell signal produced by this system, coming down, hitting this area and done. Wow. That's quick. You guys, how long did this trade take? Today, let's go and refresh this. Let's see. $515. Guys, that's over $2,500 just made this morning, just in that amount of time of 3 minutes, probably less than 3 minutes. Now, that is how we want to look at this. Now, what am I going to do for the rest of the day? Am I going to say, okay, let's look for another trade. Let's make another bit of money. No, that's not what I'm going to do. I'm actually literally going to shut this down right now and say this video has been recording for less than 4 minutes. Actually, less than 5 minutes. This is a 5-minute workday right now. I am done. I have family over. I'm going to go have some fun with them. I'm going to take my daughter to gym class and have an amazing day and celebrate. And that is it. This is how powerful this system can be for you guys. Have a great rest of your day. Let's keep this going. Day number 2, very exciting and done. Thanks, guys. Take care. God bless.